Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and software. Check that your monitor, GPU, and cable support HDR. Once done, enable HDR in Settings System Display, toggle Use HDR on. Make sure the monitor is set to its HDR input mode and connect via Display Port 1, 4 or HDMI 2, 0+. Next, open Graphics Settings to assign high-performance GPU to the app you will test. This prevents color space mismatches and ensures Windows routes HDR content correctly. Now you refine output and color mapping. Open the HDR/SDR slider in Display Settings and move it until whites render without clipping. This balances brightness versus detail. Then run Windows HDR calibration or use your monitor's LUT/profile to align color gamut and gamma. Once calibration is saved, launch the target app or game and enable its HDR option. Choose PQ or HLG per content. Finally, test with HDR sample media and adjust in-game brightness. To finish, verify HDR is active using a known HDR file and the Windows HDR icon at the top of Settings display. If colors look wrong, update GPU drivers or roll back to a stable release. Perform a clean driver install when necessary. Make sure color format is 10-bit and output rec. 2020/BT, 2020 if your monitor supports it. If problems persist, toggle HDR off and on. Power cycle the display and rerun calibration. This often clears hardware negotiation faults and fixes clipping or washed out color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.